is already coming out. This is the last bolt still stuck in there. Thank you for watching, guys. I've been having a problem with high RPM, so I finally figured out what's the problem. So there was a lower unit leaking, so I'm gonna show you what to do, and hopefully your high RPM goes back to normal. So this is the problem. It's leaking. You see the milkshake. It's a lower unit oil, have water inside, so that's what I need to replace. So what I try to do, take this and put them inside the shift shaft thingy and make sure this is the same teeth as I wanted. So far so good. So let me put you guys back here. Right here, you see how they look like, and it's gonna go in the hole, and then you have to just unscrew from there. So what we're gonna do, just put WD-40, take all the grease or whatever in there, clean it up, make it a little bit shiny, and if there's any rust or whatever's in there, you take it out. The guy told me it's brand new, but he says it's open but never used. Anyway, so that's what we have now. Let's find out how to take this off. Perfect. Go in, it's gonna go right here. Make sure hold your unit properly and push this thing down. Here we go. Just use your hand to use as a hammer. On the milkshake. This is not good. This is not good. Drain everything in a bucket here. Now, put it right here. I'm gonna take everything out, and there's a washer here. Make sure you take this off. You can use the same one, and they have washer and they have seal. There's nothing wrong with the seal. I changed it before, so it didn't really help. The problem was they have
like a little bit scratched from, you can't even see, but right here the black spot. I'll try to show you guys. Let's focus right here. So I tried to put like some cement thing and some glue, but it didn't really work. Anyway, we got the new one. We're gonna try that one. Let's see. Let's try this one, and this is the same size. Yep, same thing. I'll put the new one now. Okay, so we're gonna, before we put new one, we're gonna inspect everything is look okay. Clean this. Make sure it's clean everything. Okay, let's do the first thing first. There we go. Find the same spot where it's supposed to go in. There we go. Try to find the proper area to go inside. So on the teeth. And we're gonna do some pressure test after. Play around. So we got the problem. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh no. The shift shaft rod is not going in a clutch dog because it's got the alignment is wrong. So this alignment is messed up. So I need to figure out how to move around, and I can see the other hole is right. I think I figure out. I need to show what I'm doing. Again. So the alignment has to be straight up, but the alignment is messed up. So I need to use this to make this hole, the both holes together in the same hole, I hardly see, but we made it done. It was an alignment problem. So it's all the way in now. Now we're gonna put this back. Thank God, I was just so nervous because I don't want to go to the mechanic and they charge like a lot of money because I don't know what I'm doing and they know what exactly they're doing, so they're gonna charge me whatever they want to charge me, so because I'm stuck. So now let's put back inside, all screwed up. Whew, I'm so happy. Thank you God, save me. Special tool, that's what I use. This oil with the water, so it's supposed to be all straight blue instead of this color, you know. Put the oil back inside the lower unit, so that's how you connect it. There's a vent. There's gonna be the vents to air, so it's gonna come up from here once I pump the oil inside. Half the bottle, I put it right here. And I'm gonna keep doing it until this comes out from here. Alright, it's right here. You see it's coming out from there. That one is almost full, so we're gonna close this, screw up this thing, and make sure we close it tightly. Vent. Okay. we take this off, we have to close nut in there, put the nut back in here, and then we're gonna take this off. As soon as we take it off, then we're gonna close this. So here we go. Close this quickly as possible. There we go. Make sure to put this ring in here. Put all the way in. You have to make sure this is aligned properly and it goes inside.